How to turn off automatic in-app purchase in the Google Play Store. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this very video tutorial I will be teaching you how to turn off automatic in the app purchase in the Google Play Store. If any day you would like to turn off the automatic in the app purchase in the Google Play Store, at first you have to tap on Google Play Store on your very device. After tapping on the very Play Store on your Google device, now what you can do is you can go to your very option of your profile section on the top. After you tap on your profile section, now here you can see an interface like this. Here you have to go to the option of Play Protect here. Now after tapping on the option of Play Protect, it will take you to an interface like this. Again, you can go back and tap on your very profile picture like this. Here you can tap on the option Manage Apps and Devices. Here again you can tap on the option of Manage. After tapping on the option of Manage, now you can set on the option of Games here. Again, you can tap on your profile and then tap on the option of Payment Methods here. Now here you can set the settings like this and you are done. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.